for higher juicy news. Mema Bawumia Kwaba had the latest hot ekwa Enamede Bramo and Unti. So when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say Obe subscribe. There we are say Obe click a year the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification. We have video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a year sa video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fe share my work for so now when you be here now and somewhere also a Ghana memoir. Afi yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so umayenti a year sa reporting somewhere abeto jamainti.
So utie Afenyo Markin oko KSM show ni so na. So utie some kind no. What's you share? NDC the way almost say your money amano. Ye tena hodin a hey one share beka opposition ache. Samutie. Eti atada ese se omo sheda. No mu create scenes bi, wo mu yabioma bi, wo mu heke wo mu ye delay government kakra ni na kai ka ho. Enti sa no mo ye, wo no ankasa kokotran ho no no to na numu tu. Say saje we ene ekoso. How can we build a country like this? Lebanese for the Indians, why Pakistan for the Anglophone, the South Africans in the kai ka ho. That ben wo hu say wo mu ye ya, wo mu sika wo mu di ko mu kromu no, Afa Bank of Ghana.
Mudi wiemsheneko.
Mudi wiemsheneko. Wiemshena wo de ko no. Ga do airport an the best thing is say obedegre. Oh, maybe 2 million cedis. $2 million. And they come chrome. Nanka custom for no. I calculate ya nanka watria wo tax also. Ni amount whole receipt. Nanka wo de ko. Enye sanete. And so me say and tesa wo ho.
Aye juma hope we dey oka.
Omo ba be kwa. They go to the aviation in Penifonibi. I am saying this here today. What? Na omakwa koko ye hun yo manyina me say be fast can mu akoboko. Tom da kwako to lupenum no mko.
Obse we are aware say last year 2024 we nse mienu ebisi ye. Ema pilot ni crew omo ba ye no. Omo be die ema de chin ye no. Omo fa wi foforo ekoi. Ama sa 2 aircraft ne da so si Ghana ha ebisi ene. Ti die no mo de bae wi nse no e da so si Ghana ha eyeden.
Adeni asem. You see, look, a year eba all the time no. Obi o hono mo an. O woni sika anu achata. Anu so oba. Odo no doesn't mean say ebia wo sika gumu anase wo ndu boni gumu anase bibisa. Nipa no woni sika anu achata no so wo. So o de no. Promate yamfa ne say me and my brother Ibrahim Mahama or the private jet wo what decided to see asem e call London no de or no any private jet e ko wan kwa commercial flight no ko na so sade ba esan say o use private jet into na bibi wo mana no so ho ne no na answer na e cargo anase bibia beba no na wo munim Swissport for enim nua makura e wo flight no mu a e ba o
Etimi makekesa. Especially on the cargo. Mudru hase ya. Wamuya duty e pass it through send tema port. Wamuya de pepe no. Wamuya inspection ni ekeka ho. O se sando ko.
So unete no. Eti sanyo ma we ya ekoso nyina na so bi ka se. Oh, ma hu se private jet bi aba besi. Eti eye sikadi cocaine wo mu a. Na wo wugina bonten. Onko ho. Do akwa jira we say hey ya who say private jet bi aba cocaine ya suspect say cocaine enowum. I mean how can you talk like this? Sadly na in term Fordjour ni minority for year no. Do you know the consequences? Me no one ever suffer.
Almost a Tróuble say apart from say only lawyer Teddy sorry at law. I negotiations. Or renegotiate after certain negotiations or renegotiate and this is what happens. Charlotte was a lawyer or call Easton no who said there be cases in no my no bope. Oh my cases in no bope and a Charlotte said there be me a lawyer me kwa court could yasem. Who file a case I was Supreme Court case no boarding. And the entire case be based on its complexity, the complexity of each of the case. At the court na case in econo. It is case I want to call ABR obi de EC echo high court no more than flat rate one more the flat rate e de ato ho na de omo ye nyina ne say the Supreme Court de en so no and one editor appeals and one editor high court and one editor district court and one editor circuit court na shall not say how charges are charge high court no yes sir na charge ho. So what I did and I say there was a meeting, I think if I remember correctly, that meeting was in September 2015. Yes, I remember. That meeting was in September 2015 September. And I shall out Frey, the 2 deputies no catch on say Sadi we are moye a criminal. Because all the case you call high court, ne bono was through. Okay. A chain circuit court. Into here then a makape sikano. Into here nyanisa.
The bonny away.
Into momayem pe lawyer for. Because that time that is the car in fear 9 and a lawyer for car. What? And I want the EC to come and deny this. Till today, Sakana better home fear 9 now. Charlotte Osebe inherited and because Kojo after Jan so catch on say no. The processes through which are one more they hide the services of some lawyers, no. A more of them to be all proving to Kojo for Gentia. Wow. It is a kind of bedaho. Charlotte Obano say, Sadia went in a macadaho and fear 9. Enti, mon frère lawyer, sorry, Mra. Lawyer. Ye pesi no ye adwuma no foforo. Won wa di kan be ye adwuma no said o musi ye adwuma no. E ma isi ne boka emfaso ni so. Enti wo de ye no wotena se. Timi Charlotte mi yimi ho afirim. Eno no ye deputies na adwuma. Tini wo mo nkotena se na mo agree. 15 September 2015. I think yeah. It was in September 2015. No mo nyina atena se no mo agree say ni be enti sa na tell the case e Supreme Court na board. Into the ekwa ni yetua first so ni yetwa sika to ho so kokoto wan kokoto betua ni ya tam ni ye dia ma say ebia da chenye be kokoto ebia da chenye be kokoto ye di tuaka. And then you sanction Charlotte say based on this today Jane Mensah is sitting down when we have lost 8 people. That's number 1. Number 2 5 and then you declare results at police station really you declare results at police station really.
Mama Ntim mmerado.
Oh Debbie, say
Matias here.
Oh.
Captain. Madasi, my call Hopeson so. Now Hopeson over to us ho na the member cause civil aviation ho. And some bobo no acting na so acting. Say free more pare akwara. Omo go about 70% of them nyina free more pare abra no aviation minister no. Pack civil airport honyina why adwuma airport open popanyina so acting your man so acting na we free o memu 2 weeks ni onko office nko ye adwuma hey yes obetima ya check Cecilia Ghana civil aviation 2 weeks ni so acting MPP ni na all acting 2 weeks ni on see your office akwatena brochire
Dr. Kalisto so tukwan
bia no monte nti omonte ebia na no abugile was that branch on your monte
and your mon country
that area was a very strategic
area. Say impenifo no be 80 mon country wo
simo fire wo munyina
one say
ebi matter office aban na a change nti wase o ma o ne na ado bae no o ne na ado exit
these are some of the things yeah ka ho asem once a president Mahamadu Bawumia na we kofie na MPP fosu ana mebo at a point na president okay odi ankrofobia ho no ma yenja wo mo ho no kakra one airport Ghana airport company ho ana Ghana civil aviation for so ho no Minerals Commission FDA ni ne kakeka ho ho no ni na no ani nansa wo hwe social media no so a MPP for na sa adenti na Mahamadu ja wo mo ho adenti no wo mpa mo na ankrofo no kra na wo aka ho no kra wo ye traitors
across ne woma yapa mo
MPP for na say omonti ase say omonkrofo no wo mo da so eti honum
ase ni men
enti mo twa die mbiem say ya appoint o say wo de act
2 weeks
na yenhwe na 2 weeks won go office how when say sa elu prince and sense suspicion ya de nyina sa nipa na wo act no senko ye proactive nkasɛm no ewu wɔ hɔ a because wo na ya wo in charge wɔ hɔ no
MPP
come and speak. You are in charge.
Oye MPP ni.
Ansa na elu prebia betu afri baabi aba no before say betu no ni ama clearance wa hansa. Wonya clearance a wontimi ntu.
Why adwuma ho paint na me to ho ma.
Yes. Wonya clearance a wontimi ntu. Wontu na mu wiem no aka say oba be clearance. Except emergencies. Say ebia kele mu twam akọ ye kan say Cote d'Ivoire. And wanya emergency immediately no they will communicate and say ye pese ye by force landing e wa ha say na ye hwe 1 2 bi ansa ya sako eno no wo honom na ansa na wo betu afri Amsterdam no ya ye bibia wie. Number 2 ansa na flight bia betu no wo ye check-in no wie ya ye ka can say door 2 mu na no manifest dru Ghana de dada eti ye di mo bia what flight no mu a wo ba ansa na flight no betu afri say New York say Amsterdam no da Ghana Civil Aviation no manya na security agencies ni sa akeka ye kan say NIB National Security obi ahu eti omunim hwan na te flight no mu a wo ba eti etoda na so ka say obi abaya hu no ne ya na ya mistre kakra so ne eti no
chief of staff mutie a mo ma o mani nko
so o mani ko ho no sa de mani nyina e wo ho no ana you see aban sisa say ne de wo ko ho no na se wa anye kafu a ho wo betra ho ne o mo atwenu ma fa wase saa woni mra ho se obehu no na 4 years na so na 4 years na so because omo na okokoto omo ho no no omo miebie ne mani so nkyerɛ the custom will not come and tell you say sadie we the immigration will not tell you the AFSEC for no they will not tell you any ne kai ka ho nyina wo bon se na enamusa look think about this. Ye wo krom ha sei ye nkrofo Lebanese for the Indian for ne omo mkika ka ho omo ye big time businesses wa sei no wa hu se omo de omo sika ko baka afa bank da wa hu bi da koko check bisa Bank of Ghana me say yeah I do what they will be
I just come on there this is CBM
me so Mike dem ma
me say
enti do act no so
San Crawford no wo mo ye big businesses wa hana wo mo free ha say Lebanese for the Indians why Pakistan for ni San Crawford ni na no the South Africans ni e kai ga ho da ben wo hu say wo mo ye a wo mo sika wo mo di ko mo kro mu no afa Bank of Ghana da
mo di wiemhye na ko
wo di wiemhye na ko wiemhye na wo de ko no Gaudro airport anka the best thing is say wo be de gre me di 2 million cedis $2 million and they come chrome nanka custom for no a calculate nanka watria wo tax also ni amount whole receipt nanka wo de ko enye sanity enso so me say ente sa wo ho
ayadwuma hope wo de oka
omo ba be kwa they go to the aviation in Penivonibi. I am saying this here today. What? Na omakwa ye hun yo man nyina me say be fast can mu akoboko some da kwakwa to alupenum no mko
obse we are aware say last year 2024 we nse mienu ebisi ema pilot ni crew omo ba ye no omo be die ema de chinye no omo fa wiemfo foforo ekoi ama saa 2 aircraft ne da so si Ghana ha ebisi ene ti die no omo de ba ye we nse no da so si Ghana ha eye den
adeni asem you see look a year eba all the time no obi ohono mu a owoni sika Anno achata Anno so oba odo doesn't mean say ebia wowo sika gumu anase wowo nduboni gumu anase bibisa nipa no woni sika no achata no so woko so all yet no promati yamfa ne say me brother Ibrahim Mahama wowo the private jet wo decide this is asem e call London no de ono ane private jet ekọ wankwa for commercial flight no okọ na so sa de ba esan say o use private jet nti na bibi wo mana no so ho ne ete no na ansa na cargo anase bibia beba no na wo munim Swissport for enim nuamakra ewo flight no mu a eba o
etimi makekesa
especially on the cargo mudru ha say ya Wamuya duty pass it through send a temaport wamuya the pepe no wamuya inspection in the kakeka ho
o se sando ko
so ne che no eti sanyo ma wo ya ekoso nyina na so bi ka se oh ma hu se private jet bi aba besi eti eye sikade cocaine wo mu a na wo wugina bonten onko ho do akwa gina we se eh ya hu se private jet bi aba eye cocaine ya suspect say eye cocaine eno wo. I mean, how can you talk like this? Sadly na Ntim Fordjour ni minority for year no. Do you know the consequences? Eye me no will never suffer. Now, say the whole world any Eddie Ghana chi say eh yes aha eye center omudi cocaine fa pa. Etu kwan na say wudru Heathrow wudru JFK wudru Skipo anase hefa eho ana wobehu che say the harm asa reckless statement no akoso na ne ya wo mu ni say Ntim Fordjour tu kwan a kono no ngodi line mu we a member of parliament ya man diplomatic passport etu wudru airport ho no ma ya diplomatic lane only more than 5 minutes una wo kono Rasi ajo wa yini askane ne ya se photo no mejo we twa for nsato so wa twa ya take away pa na wo. Na wo ordinary passenger na wo dimu no.
This is true. E best scan o yam no.
She, me say wo do skipo na wo here ya wo mu ye dwe yangasa. Wo timi cross immigration bibia wo kokodu wo ho ade asaba betwe ne do aba. Ye do aba chi ho no me say you mpaboa. Me say wo mbe san de ya fefa ho aye various test. Answer. We get a hand luggage. Afenyo eba be biebiem. Asave sabi. Wo be hwehwe mu nyina ahwe nim. Wa waste time just like that. Omo fanfa emrofo no so. Okay. Ye hwewa na ye bibini pede aba betwon de de ko. Enti sade we ya abai. Timamfo anase ordinary Ghanaians no. E de ba be sofa. E wo sade we hu. Enti me de me meka ne se aban e ma nani na ho. Se wutie Afenyo Markin okọ KSM show ni so na. So tell some kind no. What's you share? NDC. The way almost say your money amano. Ye tena hodin a. Hey, one share beka opposition ache. Somebody here. Eti atoda. Ese say omo sheda. No mu create scenes bi. Omo yabioma bi. Omo heke omo. Ye delay government kakra ni kai ka ho. Enti sa no omo ye. Wonu ankasa kokotena honom no otu na numutu. Say Saje we enekoso. How can we build a country like this?
Captain, Fami Bowum, who say we are Juma be efa a year MPCA. Or much say DC we na a penal, a senior person may DC, or maintain a person from a MC without my family rako.
Patrol, quick one. Cocaine, your cousin Ntim Fordjour the Adeni beba.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
That's
into an idiot. So do you hear?
I'm saying, what can our mic know of?
Mumma volume.
Say a cassette cocaine. Eh, papa no yes so for no na cocaine gye ne dia.
So for me.
Ntim Fordjour. Enti na hu cocaine ne dodo.
Dia ne besi.
Otimi koti ne dodo.
Dia ne besi.
E chere time a plane ne be si from. Any plane fufuro so be kan ho. Enti ye cassette cocaine e Ntim Fordjour dia na be.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Thank you. Carry on.
What about 70 years?
Kofu principal.
Yeah.
Hwɛ. Say ya me no ka say. Question you bisa me. Asen Central. NDC from constituency chairman no ho no ne NDC MPP parliamentary candidate na ho no. E no muka bom mama me nya 5 no.
Oh, evidence be no general.
Oh, asema na okay. No mu ye na kasa send party for ni gina ho. Omo ni assembly members no mo ka ya 20 no. Who video no?
Yanko.
Okay. Party na mo party NDC no. Mo NDC for no. Mo MPC no. O mo start pira mahama.
Ebi mo.
Me de me nka bi no me kama sem. Wo e form ho no mu nim. NDC MPC na shase pira mahama. O ma start plano. What do any try Eastern Regional? MPs feel say one share year 2028 e be na ono as a member of parliament no okọ primaries no will lose Eastern region enti no de enye de ono MP ni pese obedi DC no emmaso on contested go to Asamankasi. There's this lady your friend no is it something Chesa Rebecca. What share the record? Any day party them penny for Nankasa air kafane. Any the original minister Nankasa air kafane. She qualifies beyond qualification. Among all the others. She's the only Obas who are all listed him. But the MP, if you say lady you're too vibrant. Be at that trouble contestant until me farmer.
That's as going to be cautious.
Enti eho enjo. Asan Central asem ya yekan. Mami akwaje 5 pay. He me ya mahama on come boni din sa. The constitution is not a fetish.
Serious.
Someone toa me boni din sa. Who suffers? When they suffer? Mahama Otenkrai. On the budget or the Bayaj as president, no, and you'll be the Chamano. A call to the finance ministry. Near him, near the farmer, so kakra, pa and a chrono. So we anamwa. Okay, for now, honor baby. Who now what they are sent central? What him say, between 15,000 assembly members, no?
What?
Oh, chief. As I see a assembly members, no one you go. You can't some Ayana Ghana for the being person better say. In any case, didn't your boy be doing what's a wood to it here? Didn't know what to it here, no.
What interest, baby?
What Debbie Nipano, President Nemu, no Yatu Abanama Nevi. I think say you review your constitution and say your boy be doing some code DC here. Now you say you turn a swab and say you confirm. Meanwhile, we'll be obey CEO. About her national health insurance in and your bony dear no acquayedma. Yantua also. I mean, does this make sense anywhere?
You know.
Maybe your mampanine. I will go to Parliament and repeal that.
Committee no more review.
Ambassadors, you more represent.
I will repeal that. Maybe your president and then maybe the Parliament and use and say who no free constitution. When free on and say
dangerous.
Enti say no. Over here na baby MP wodo MP dey nya di po ohwehwe na otua losing bonus.
MP no.
Otua losing bonus.
What?
It's more part no MPC tua losing bonus. Say nipa na Mahamadu Bawumia so mbedi MMDC so yantunti awon. Asante Central me ma shada ko wuram me class ma me pay yese. Enipa na oye MPC ya no ono ena wo mo de asam to no so se wakofo bi yire no. Okay. Nuruddin.
Okay.
Aha.
Okay, suspended no kura.
Omo suspended Nuruddin. Nam so kura ma me wofa. Regional chairman no ho ba asem mo no so kura ye suspended no. Prof. Ena nyame ya branch na dom na wan win election. So when the matter happened, I sent Ntim to go to the constituency and find out what happened. You know what? A branch that dream papa won Ntim or say I am a Muslim.
Nuruddin.
And an ordner. In the midst of a sin. In an account space. And she said, party didn't tear executives didn't tear say me a Muslim. Na me ceremony. Na se metime di MP na. And the yema obia or ye asante she.
Ensu medi.
Oh no so ye Christo ni.
Emedi.
Oh no so medi DC you know. Na ye me anu nkam mom. Na ye ntimi draw powers from both sides.
Ebi ni.
Na ye
Ketia mon ho. Adanse askwade ya ye kan.
Chenchine tachi a
MP ni votarian and wakwaje seat na mayen. Ena nipa omode ne eba no de se kronkron na oto na wo ye kumase ade mebra hene. Oja akonya no to work contest ma 2020. After 2020 no party office see adanse askwani sima ye. One finance party na sa so candidate ni sa ye ne campaign manager. Ya we ne ya ba vet ye we SMS won pe we the way menua dagati ni no. One ne Votarian na dance askwa o de sata ba da yin kupila obe content.
Yes, you see, Na enunti ama ebinuma 15,000. I am saying this here. The national security should go and investigate the assembly members. No.
Okay.
Some took 15,000 Ghana cedis. And they still voted against that woman. But the final thing is Mpacho. National Cathedral so for now Ntim resigning. You bet you more dabe. Me ama sort of penny opoku in account. Yencho.
Maybe I'll cost like cement.
That's man okay.
Yencho.
Yeah, Yencho. Which was about $58 million at the end of the day.
Maybe maybe.
And I didn't say $58 million. I
swimming
swimming pool ben where we are say. Atlanta, Georgia, America, the biggest swimming pool in the whole of America.
Is in the same.
At $3.4 million.
Where the Mamifa Yikitwa.
What are we talking about?
Ghana Police Service.
I saw for now a call Mahama house on blackmailing no. You molest. I saw for now call John ho. Echo catches of prosecuting I saw for now. A D National Cathedral anymore. They will turn the church against John Mama. Oh, when you're trying. Now, Your Excellency. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Ghana Police Service, the National Security, the NIB,
Thank you.
It is alleged say encrophobia encrophobia begukrum. When the Ottawa ubeti pay yakubia to her, watching ubeti pay yakubia to her.
Yeah, because
Omuma omwani enya day and ho. ECD or the far way, but me fan for na intensive media so. Look, this is the time. Ya tuaba. Na ya declare Emma. Na asat now. Parliament. Aya juma e won 4th month mu. Na a constituency. Yentimi and declare. And you say antuaba no, ya tuaba no. That's so yentimi declare. Eti ni MP ewo parliament a wo represent wo mu. Is it not incompetence? Is it not? Chese, enunqua backgrounds for the remover.
Now we will president officer. So be some pija. They declare the winner. Now we wait to office. Now we say masa overturn the decision.
Emra no so ntisa.
See I 127.
Emra ni say so declare we are. You better na and e just court. Adenti na mo koye musa kokoye recollection aye. Look, yeah, MPP for so mukita scan copy. Enye original ne de scanning no. E de original no e. Ubi so mo so a omo se a ye hu. I mean, chese wodwene ho a o ye dan ate ase. Eti
dollar ma 7 countries 7 why she studio her. Wow, Alaji Kanet Tanko.
Alaji, yeah. Ejanto ha. No, maybe ana
oboske to obodo.
Why we are now we say agree better. And yet is a piece
dollar man.
So nyetero. Eti nkrofo there. Look, hwe MPP ama say no you are politicizing all our institutions. Who said Drew baby? Yes, Papa, look, Charlotte Windsor. Charlotte was saying. Ne petition. Munya big guy.
Oh, Obiwa.
Nipa na oye you know. Moten nka gogosi say ye ni free ho. Debi.
No nipa kono.
Tróuble House organized that petition because it was an agenda say, look, Charlotte was say must go. It was an agenda.
Captain Nipan.
Oh, something more.
Me say
Tróuble House one of
they wrote the petition.
One of my petition.
One quiet the 10 weekend at hotel be.
They wrote the petition there.
Because they knew what they were going to do in 2020. And they were afraid that if Jane Charlotte be koso ho a I'm sure no why fair.
You know.
Wanya boni bia. Because the first win, Madam will say, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission on 30th June 2015 assumed the office as article blah 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 of the Ghana Re Insurance, a public company, contrary to Article 444 4 of the 1992 Constitution. When the issue was raised, the PRO of the Ghana Arie confirmed that she only signed on December 5th, 2015. Shade ni you what say Kwaku Addo no ewo 2015 na nkasa no ba ye June na mu no no America no consigns. This means that whilst holding office as the chair of the commission, she was still a board member of the Ghana Reinsurance. Oh, come on. The main way you know say your board ni so on be EC chairperson no. Na Charlotte say or your board member. Or your board member. The response of the man Charlotte say no Troy or say Ghana Reinsurance is a limited liability company with shares held by the government of Ghana. It's not a Ghana buying Ejuma.
Wow.
A non-executive director position is not a public office.
What's the tea?
The woman is a lawyer. This is what Charlotte wrote. In the context of Article 444, which my esteemed counsel should well know. Why? Why do you do this?
Obviously, if I'm a coin.
Anti, you can say, you can say, Jamesa, Nenshisha, any other. Yes, yes. Nenshisha, just say, Odia Bamunino, Ayadia, Bedia, the word in copy is a show. Say, Yatua Baby, na Asatana, Yentiminia. Wasan Abubu Emraso. No, I don't know if I under misbehavior, said then they I don't know. Jamesa. Say ya declare will be
incompetent.
Ya declare the panawie. Share Dobi Kwabena say anything for that more money and yet dear. And come with finish. And come with finish. So on yet. Yeah, can say Mia Minia, Madame for Army Penasempa Okakwe Central. Aha. One who said there's a cocoyano. And this is so a cocodane. Atta praises. I just say, one would done. Okay, Anno Dompreh, Economo, share a quetia, and in the Kaikahu, Nijina, Yachamu, and Yatetihusa, just like that. Sir, what politicizes the institutions are? Do you think, sir, Nippon over Banado or no Metrans in financial shady debris from? Open to us, Yana, open to us. So, it is an unwalkano. What do Aquacofa a Hidia Buffy?
Once in a buy house.
And you want some go as I did not want some of has a baby. Good now, dear Hidia Naba. So, look,
so the other Hidia by one didn't want
one didn't want Sanaba. Akufo Addo Parky Court. Nasi, you see also or more Ghana say no, or more hypocrite.
Some
of them. What would you hypocrite?
Some of them.
What are by for?
What you imagine? Bra,
30 seconds. Bra, ye bring in an a year Christian Council.
Number 1.
Any CSUs no. And I'm a yebre. Nanka Charlotte say.
You're defending.
Share. Mamin Kadi win and trust. Claim 3. The NCSD Charlotte said the number Trinity. T. Brofuna Troy no. I do win a Tróuble Jubilee House no. Ah? Office na proposal court name no. A one on Tróuble letter no. A one on petition we. Sa baby a proposal court na no. Sa dynamo no Tróuble petition we.
Mami he.
Or say, following her appointment as EC chair, Mrs. Charlotte compromised the independence and the neutrality of the commission by arranging for a 2015 V8 Land Cruiser with registration number WR2291-15 from the office of the president for use as official vehicle without going through the procurement process. Adiano Ofafi office of the president. Instead, also go through procurement. What must Charlotte say? Ya boni dino. Naka ni ho amami no yusu. Joma ama nominate Charlotte say no. Oka chense sika ni ho aye de toka mo no ma otenam. Etima me ka ni ho. Sabe
free the pool mu the amount.
Eti Charlotte say no de ono ane ka na kwa adwuma. Until such chief of staff Honorable Julius Debra wo boni pedin June 2015. When time Charlotte was an official vehicle. Do you know when she was given official vehicle? Ya bonidin 15th June 2015. July Charlotte Nyaka. August Charlotte Nyaga. September Charlotte Nyo official car. October Charlotte Nyo official car. November 12th. After 5 months. And Mama Charlotte say an official car. Say onjim fanya juma.
And they say and go through Pokemon.
Dabi we entro. Enta me catch say office na proposal atino.
Oh no, what say?
So dan mu no mo tro ben kasa proposal na tro.
But what's that done?
Sa dan mu sa office no mo draft letter we. And mo quote car number. Sa car we 2015 car we. And then who ba sama time and 2016 MPP winning election 2017 no. Soldier for no kwache car we. Enti car na ye de to Charlotte. So say wakofa car free presidency atnemu no sa car na nya Charlotte say Ntim. Wow. Etiwe almost say WR 2291-15 and Charlotte say ekofa ama ye de man no office of the president. The president ma obi ade say jika na fa koye adwuma. Wo say onkofa procurement tie and Charlotte say ka kire na na do say hey guy kana yede maame no ne number nye WR 2291-15 and when the ma Charlotte removal no cheye no because they realized that they try wrong meat maame ne say kana otim no the number enye sa so they sent some national security operatives to tete Charlotte say and take pictures and videos of the cars. Sister Charlotte say be kaya 2018 February, they called her and said they had wanted to change, for security reasons, they had wanted to change her car numbers.
They had
wanted to change her car numbers.
That happened.
Happened because she thought that she told the president. Said the lawyer response. Said Mrs. Osei does not use a vehicle with the said registration number WR2291-15. Following her appointment as chairperson, the office of the chief of staff allocated Mrs. Charlotte Osei a vehicle. This is certainly not a new practice in Ghana's public service. Indeed, the office of the chief of staff provided and continues to provide vehicles for many government institutions and appointees. Patro Jemensa cannot even one man. So can we say that Nanado imagine Mensa car? Any deputies in the castle won't use until ye bejina so ye di ana.
Abide the ball teaching.
The political posture of the chairperson. Tell ye brofu we need a way to come on the Charlotte Eddie
posture.
I
say Jemensa they watch.
The political posture
you know, yes,
of the chairperson prior to the conduct of the 2016 general elections nearly pushed Ghana to the precipice. But for the action of technical and competent staff of the commission, how? How? She could have plunged the country into a civil war. Really?
Compared to Jemensa Dieng.
Really?
Charlotte will say.
And indeed, we lived in this country in the Bronga-Hafu region. 8 innocent Ghanaians were shot and killed. It was just one constituency. Nobody saw, say, and no, it was plunging this country into precipice.
Very wicked people.
Post Abeya. When did you tell me trust claim for no? When did you claim for no fee? Once I Charlotte say, as a sign, EC logo no. Because that time no, na encrophobia akoshe them electoral commission logo na awo no. Baby, I know what print on letter head no. I don't know. Can I say that? Let me say it. No, back print be with all the security features.
Wow.
That time they were in opposition, and they were using the letterheads, writing letters on behalf of the electoral commission.
Wow.
Charlotte Osei got wind of it and said that no way, we got to change the letterhead.
That's right.
That is the reason why Charlotte Osei changed the letterhead of the electoral commission.
To yemre mo no. Obeti masako.
Or to me, obeti asako, but I'm not sure say maame ne beko. She's so a fine, refined lady. When I met her at Cape Coast, me share the name didn't say Captain. I know you defended me, but the powers that be did not listen. Hey, Anna Obeka say we or you subrofobi or say we did it. I like it and we love it. I think she said something like that. Yeah. It's letters and for person one day easy logo dadano no and
I say we saw it, we liked
it and we love it. Something like that. It's Emma and Crawford plan them. Do you know that if indeed Charlotte say now on pese MPP Baba Power 2016 time now elections and started said figures nobody now. Kokacho say one more system no Crawford hacking.
And then got to no for.
It be why you to for. Say you hacking. Your hacking system. It's no or stress both parties ni nyina no. Womomra na yempe IT specialist. No muntimi mehwe system ne mai. Charlotte say could have done that. So by the time now why by yourself figures neighbor no. If indeed she had wanted the NDC to maintain power, go bet me sir. But what did she do? On one at whole county ye, ebe declare another winner.
Yeah.
Why do you lie? Such a lie.
Can't say more for any power.
One can say reasons we.
We that's it too. Until I was watching.
Charlotte say, without recourse to the commission, engage the services of lawyers. Sorry at law. So name lawyer sorry. Teddy sorry assembly kano. Without going through the procurement process. This service engagement goes contrary to Public Procurement Act. As at now, there's no formal contractual agreement between the commission and the solicitors. You think lawyer sorry, Sebi, excuse my French, is so dumb and inept to the level say sorry, easy a contractor now, there will not be any contractual agreement.
When you talk on the courtroom.
You think lawyer Teddy Sorry will sit down and then a lawyer of his caliber, way and see that. In any case, for time I win power 2001. What did he say? Or repeat Buzia's statement you can say the constitution is not a fetish. Why? Because any pay ye here ka sama post for I say ankofa parliament in Timapeka na Pedro.
Yeah.
Ma Pedro no ma 504. E ma ne mana.
Ye de ma judges ne.
Teddy Sorry. Why ye adwuma ama easier. Adwuma na oye no na ye ne kwanso ana se na adwuma ne ne kwanso. Why then do you based on this? Say wo pam sorry. Beside lawyer Teddy Sorry. After say MPP winning elections from 2017, papa ni nya hoto abesi ne. At a point, no, let me say it.
Dear number.
Okay? Oko voter region kodi case minke ye kunu kwam.
What?
Obi onim Teddy Sorry number bi an friends me na make asem we wo TV so sesia. Okodi asem oko voter region or bank line ke ye kunu kwam.
Wow.
There were several attempts on his life, but he remained steadfast. Listen, we are building a country, we are not building a political party. And enyame first will be mami, will be papa ye jubani you. If we're doing the wrong thing, get away. But shall I say, missing the reasons now, one casa brofona muchoye, dina office na a proposal a quite name, I want no more drafty.
Room 21.
Eh. I want a draft is all that way. She claim 6. The commission signed a contract with Supertech Limited, STL, on the premise that the voters registration exercise was going to be electoral area based. Now, voters registration exercise and the electoral area based near the year. Can Afenyo Markin move away from Winneba? No, I can't say, but what you mean you voter region? There's a one transfer of voter.
Very well.
When you me pese captain kasa mama no ayi se on kasa yi pa so
yeah mama kan we
although as a host no Aya onya kwan kasa.
Upon assumption of office as the chairperson of the commission, Mrs. Charlotte Osei unilaterally abrogated the said contract. Or said the commission signed a contract. The commission signed a contract with STL. After Mrs. Charlotte Osei unilaterally abrogated the said contract without recourse to the same commission that approved the earlier commission. If indeed you sacked her and her 2 deputies, why not no more firing?
Same people.
Ain't the same people?
Yeah.
So how did she unilaterally abrogated that contract? Listen to the rubbish they wrote under. Listen to the rubbish. She single-handedly renegotiated the contract. She single-handedly. Oh, that's what I mean. Can want it. She single-handedly renegotiated the contract with the vendor without involvement of the members of the commission, not even the deputies. How? Meanwhile, when the deputies were contacted, Mami Amankwa, she said that she was the one who ushered those people back into the room. When Madia Charlotte Osei, now Mami Kennedy, she then awarded the contract to the tune of $21,999,525 without going through the tender, contrary to the Public Procurement Act. Watch this. Contract na Charlotte Osei was $49 million. Charlotte Osei contract no beton it was $49 million. As a bow dwene Ghana ho no. By that time no na me MPP adwuma. But eno nko ade me can be my Charlotte because I had documents from Adewe Carter we answer the Yede Koma Akufo Addo. I saw it.
No was there from reliable source.
$49 million no say no. Adwuma na mo be ye no.
Inuru sir.
Then I'm charge $49 million. Then there be. And you know, Mama Yente Suna Ghana Nyamfa Swakakra. She renegotiated from $49 million to $21 million. And then you sack her because we're reducing costs. Hey.
Was save $28 million.
Or saving Ghana, Charlotte, or saving Ghana $28 million. What's my pamano as a result? Say, we're more mining iska. Or mining for so $28 million. Nanka, as I said, $49 million in now. Nanka Ghana for the yen Piasa Akano. Wabra Charlotte Osei realized that no, ye Piasa Sikana, and ye, and no reduce your renegotiate ye the bar 2020. Ukwa se o moment bianka he. The chairperson awarded this contract without seeking approval from the commission.
Yo, it for winning and someone ababeto yepono so Mikao say so when subscribe to channel idea bomodi say obe subscribe. Now I like video to give us a thumbs up, nafi share ma wo foforo so na we be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memo. Also with me atchere wadwen afa ye some we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mo beti menkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.